Let's discuss about the report now, scheduling the report. So we'll go to the overview, and over you see the option report, and over here you see the reports. Now it's good you want to generate any report, any specific requirements you to have. This is the best option where you can generate the report in the PDF format. So let's do that one now. So currently I did not generate any or I did not process any reports yet. So I will go to the reports template. So Cisco should give me some default created report templates over here, which I can use it. All right, so these are the different reports by default which are available, and you see that these are the reports which I can delete. And these are the 4 reports which I cannot delete, but I can get the reports on that, generate the reports for that one. So currently, if you see that 1, 2, 3, I don't have anything like network risk report or attack, nothing I have. But with the files report, still I have nothing. Firepower report, have nothing. Host report, still, yes, I do have something in the host. So some host have been detected. So I will generate this report. So click on that one. And it will ask you for the host. So I will say that 172.16.3.1. I'm giving an IP address. And you see that the output format is the PDF. So if you want the CSV file or if you want the HTML file, you can select this option. So currently I'm selecting the PDF. And that's it. Host, relay host, no relay host, doesn't matter. So let's click on generate now. Let's see what data will be generated. So you see that they generated. So click, go to the task, click on task, and you see that it's now generating the report for me. So currently I was using only one host, which is from the 172.16.3.1, which is the inside one. So let's click on the PDF now. All right, so I do have so many pages here. So let me see, up to 9 pages. So let me see what we have in the 9 pages. Okay, application. So it is giving me a graph saying that the DNS client, this much of traffic has been forwarded with the Firefox, this much of an SSL client, this many. It's differentiating that one. So next one is the intrusion events originating from this host. We have nothing, if you remember. It was not detecting connections originating from this host. You see that these many connections to different IP addresses. So it's a good overview, a good report which says you in detail about where this particular host has access, what servers have been accessed, what are the IP address and everything, and how many times. So if I scroll down and again, connection destined to this host, no one was destined. That's correct. Users on this host, if you remember, I have logged in as a user, but still my FTD does not detect. Otherwise, the user should have been shown here. Whitelist violation, nothing, but the blacklist, I think there is no blacklist in this one. Okay, that's fine. All right, so this was the report. So let's go ahead and create ourselves our own custom report. So I will go ahead and click on create report. So let's give it a name, like I want to give it a name. I am looking for the events and I want it in the, what I can say, like pie chart this time. Or if you like, you can have it in the graph also. But these are the different things over here. So I'm saying that the table should consist of connection events because currently I do have many connection events. So that's what I can utilize. And the preset is like if you want to go with the sub menu, you can select what kind of menu you want, what kind of option you want to select. So I will select the web applications. And now you see that once I select the preset, it is now selecting application, host count and everything. And it is going to give me the result on the top with the color red color on it. So I will say that I want the result on the green color. So I will select the green color and I will click on generate. So now this flow will be saved. So click on generate. and click on yes. So basically this flow will be saved. So whenever you want to generate next time how we generated on the reports. So if I go back to the reports now, you see that it has generated already. So it says that I have generated two of them. One was the default one, which we used, and this one is the custom one. So I will click on that one and it should open that particular report. All right, so it has only one page. So here you see that it is looking for the web application, and you see that Microsoft Update Bits, OS, OCSP, and the Cisco. These are the different applications which have been hosted, accessed on the network, and these are the head counts on that one. All right, so if I go back to my report template now, so it should also save my flow over here now. So once this flow is been saved, so what happens is like next time whenever I want to generate a report, I will just go ahead and click on generate the report and it will generate the report. Simple as that. So now you see that here the events. So it has saved that flow now. So if I next time after a while, if I want to generate, I will just come back here. I no need to create any flow over here. I just need to click on generate report and it will generate the report. All right, so that was reporting. I hope this was informative for you and thank you.